Are you thinking of creating a faceless YouTube channel and having a talking AI avatar as a host? Or you rather create one of these viral shorts trending everywhere on social media to help you grow your social media accounts? Or you just need a presenter for your online course?
Then you have come to the right place, because today I will be showing you step by step on how to create a talking AI avatar like me. This can be an entertaining and interesting way to give your projects or presentations a unique touch. So let us get started without further ado.
The greatest substitute for DID, an AI talking avatar, can be made with the skills shown in this video. As of right now, this is free.
To begin with, launch Lonardo AI and register for a free account. All of the website links are included in the description of the video. Click Image Generation now, then copy any prompt. Choose the image ratio to 9:16. Next, just press the Generate button. I will include this prompt in the description of the video. Download the image you believe works best for your video now. Regenerate it if you are not seeing satisfactory results. To proceed to the next step, we must uncrop this image. To accomplish this, search for Uncrop AI in Google and go to the first result. Click Drop. Carefully upload your image. Adhere to the instructions. Adjust the sidebar and enlarge the image's upper portion. Now press the next button. Await the outcome and save the image you believe to be the best. Launch the Talking Heads website now. You don't require an account. To generate talking heads, click the button. Click on Upload your own photo and select Original Uncropped Photo. Select Next Step from the menu. You can upload your own voice or add video effects and AI text-to-speech here, among other options. After selecting the audio option, upload your own audio. You have the option to upload or record audio. I will use 11 Labs audio instead of other audio since I think it sounds more professional. Copy your script, go to 11 Labs and create your audio file.
Are you thinking of creating a faceless YouTube channel and having a talking AI avatar as a host?
Return now and post your audio file to Talking Heads. After selecting the default avatar by clicking on Next Step, click on Generate Talking Heads. Await the renderings outcome. Two major problems that you might encounter after creating your AI talking avatar are poor video quality and a watermark issue. Let's talk about these problems. First, type vMake Video Enhancer into Google. Visit the initial website and register for a free account. Next, submit your low quality video and watch for the miraculous outcomes. You will see how this tool produced a high quality enhanced video. Get the updated video here. To resolve the watermark issue, launch any video editing app on your computer or mobile device. I am using CapCut because it's easy to use. Bring the improved video into the timeline, then adjust the watermark area. The video should then be rendered without the watermark. You can currently make 100% free AI talking photo videos using this technique. Please enjoy and click the subscribe button for more AI videos, my friend, as I have no idea when these websites will start to receive payments.
You are one of the lucky people on Earth if you are watching this video and have finished it. I hope all of your life's ambitions come true without any difficulties. Maintain your drive and keep aiming for achievement. Recall that obstacles are merely stepping stones on the path to your goals.